Welcome to sharpquiz, your interactive knowledge challenge on your smartphone. This tutorial will walk you through the basics of playing quizzes using the app. Let's get started. Installation and setup. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type sharpquiz and press search. Press the install button to download and install the app. Launching the app. After the app is successfully installed, tap the Open button to launch sharpquiz. Creating an account. When you first launch the app, you will first encounter a login screen. You can click on the Get Started button. After that, you'll arrive at another screen with different options. You will be prompted to create an account. You can sign up using your email, Google, or phone number. Invite friends. Challenge your friends by inviting them to play sharpquiz. You can use the app's built-in sharing features to send invites via email or social media. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to use the sharpquiz. Enjoy your quizzing adventure and have a great time testing your knowledge. Thanks for watching.